Everybody say hi or something.
What is up, YouTube?
What is up, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the Kirat G10.
Welcome to the Atropos unboxing. Let's get hype!
Yes,
Woo!
sir. Yeah, baby! That's what we've been waiting for! That's what it's all about!
Let's see it! Let's see it! Let's see it! Let's see it!
Alright, well, we can get to the video now. Thank you for the intro, guys.
Hey, Ryder, guess what?
What?
You.
I'm sorry.
Now get to the video.
What's up? It's Ryder. I hope you all like that epic intro. We got the new custom Atropos Kirat 10, the Rep Killer, the Russian replicant. It's cool, and y'all gonna like it. It is such a nice looking balisong. I hope he sent me the right balisong, because if he didn't, that would suck. So, yeah, I'm not gonna show you my address, because we're just not there yet. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna put the phone down for a second, just to, you know, get open. And make sure that my address isn't. Oh, okay. New box. Heck yeah. Look at that. That's actually really cool. Yeah. Okay. How am I gonna? Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's a really nice fabric. Look at that. That's nice. It's just in here. Oh God. Yeah, man. Look at that. I'm not gonna show the knife. Just look at that. It's really nice. Oh crap. Okay. That's. Oh, holy crap! What the? Oh my God. Oh. 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 Okay. Little tap, not a problem. Look at that. Oh, it's thick. Oh, boy's thick. Ooh. Bro, this flip's really nice. It has a really nice handle bias that, whoa, it really, whoa. That's great. This is great looking. Okay. Bro, this is dry, and it sounds great. Now look at this though. That's the fat carbon pattern. This is something else. Holy crap. Like, I haven't felt a balisong that I like so much since the Covenant. Holy crap. Okay, this is a thick boy too. I like the thick liners. Okay. Yeah, this is so good. Holy crap, this flips really good, guys. I'm not even joking. 180 bucks for this is insane. This custom is awesome. What I got done is I got fat carbon, blue camo, Kirat blade, which looks smaller than I thought, to be honest. Has a black wash, tie spacers, which the tie, let's just look at that. This is a beautiful, this, oof, oof, oh yeah, I like this a lot. The balance is so nice. I am loving this so far. All right, you got a little loose. Good swing though. I like that. Okay. Yeah, this is surprisingly really good. The carbon is not as grippy as normal G10, but it's really nice. Little play. I'm gonna tune this, get it lubed up, and flip it for a few hours, and I'll get back with you. But this is good. I like this a lot. And just look at that. It's a beauty. All right. So I've been flipping this for about an hour, and well, I got a few things to say. So first, there's tap on the safe handle, which goes to the bite handle annoyingly, even though there's no tap on the bite handle. It's all on the safe handle. So, you know what doesn't bother me? Like, it isn't an overwhelming amount of tap, which doesn't lead to it sounding bad or it flipping bad. Sound-wise, well, it sounds so good, super good, best sounding Atropos balisong I've had yet. It is really something else, and it is a quite stunning balisong to look at. Oops, look at that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The balance is a slight handle bias, which contributes a lot to the flipping aspect to it. It's not like, it's not bad. It's really nice. I haven't had a handle bias like this, and I gotta say, it's really nice. I like this. Good job, Atropos. Good job. And I like that it has black hardware. It just adds to the look. It's just such a good flipper. Such a good looker. I don't know if I'm in the honeymoon phase, but I haven't been so excited for a balisong and flipping wise since the Covenants, which was about 3 months ago. And I've gotten 3 to 4 knives from the... God, I buy too much knives. I don't even remember how much I bought and how much I've sold. But this is a keeper. Just gonna say that this is a keeper. This is a great flipper. I'm just surprised how consistent Atropos can be. This is like my 4th knife, 3rd knife. I'm not sure. I think it's like my 4th, or maybe 5th. I don't know. I'd have to look back at my camera roll to find out. But this thing, oops. Ugh. This thing's good. Oh, and plus, the Kirat has a lot of weight on the tip, making the balance a lot better. If I were to get some other blade, like if I got the Kratos blade, this would probably be too blade heavy. With the Kirat, it's a really, really nice handle bias. Just flipping fantastic. The carbon is nice and grippy, but not like, it's not uncomfortable at all. It's really, it's kind of smooth, but not in a bad way. It kind of, I can't describe it other than it feels like carbon fiber. It feels like the Covenant's carbon fiber. Holy crap, this feels so thin now. What the heck? Holy crap, this feels thin. Interesting. Feels like carbon fiber though. but it's a little grippier than the carbon fiber. It has more grip to it, like 2% more grip. But God, it's a good flipper. If you have 180 bucks, get the Russian Rep. Get the Russian Rep. It's a beautiful knife. Oh, well, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to say. Knife is gorgeous. Flips wonderful. Look at that. Look at that. Bye-bye.